The city of Dubrovnik experienced dramatic weather as heavy rain turned into a hailstorm, covering the town in several centimeters of ice and transforming it into a wintry scene. The hailstorm, accompanied by strong winds and unfavorable conditions, caused temperatures to plummet before quickly melting and leading to flooding. This unusual weather spectacle also included a waterspout over the Adriatic Sea. The relentless downpours affected several districts in Tamil Nadu state, leading to the deaths of at least 4 people in rain-related incidents, such as wall collapses and electrocution. These heavy rains, caused by a low-pressure system over the southeast Bay of Bengal, disrupted traffic, led to school closures, and flooded over 100 houses. In Tirunelveli district, a house collapsed in Southamali village. Rainwater entered the Sankaranayana temple in Sankarankoil, and the Thamurabarani river overflowed, prompting authorities to evacuate residents from low-lying areas. Farmers suffered significant losses as crops like rice and sugarcane were submerged. A severe storm system impacted central Argentina, causing significant damage in multiple areas, such as the city of Córdoba, which experienced heavy rain and strong wind, leading to damages across the town. In Bragado, province of Buenos Aires, strong gusts blew away a large tent for a graduation party, injuring 8 people. Some more material damages were reported in the different parts of the city, such as roofs being blown off houses and damaged cars by fallen metal structures and trees. In Rio Terceiro, winds exceeding 100 km per hour, or 62 miles per hour, created a thick dust storm that reduced road visibility. Meanwhile, the town of Moldes was hit by heavy hail, covering the streets in white. Another major lake-effect snowstorm hit across the Great Lakes, dropping several feet of snow on parts of upstate New York this week. The highest total reported so far is 42.5 inches in the southern Erie County town of Eden. The combination of strong winds, heavy snowfall, and poor visibility has led to dangerous travel conditions, prompting a state of emergency and the implementation of travel bans in parts of the state. Throughout the storm, state police troopers responded to 233 storm-related disabled vehicles and 74 crashes, with no reported storm-related fatalities. There were also reports of rare thunder snow in the Watertown area. The Murmansk region is grappling with severe snowstorms, thunderstorms, and winds reaching 110 kilometers per hour, or 68 miles per hour, leading to hazardous conditions. Heavy snowfalls have forced schools in some districts to switch to distance learning, while several federal roads have been closed due to poor visibility and icy conditions. In Severomorsk, strong winds caused satellite dishes to fall, Christmas trees to fly through the streets, and windows to shatter, prompting authorities to advise residents to stay indoors. Amid these extreme conditions, locals also witnessed a rare winter thunderstorm, adding to the unusual weather phenomena. The city of Balcarce, located in Buenos Aires province, was struck by a massive storm that caused severe flooding and left several cars submerged. Within a few hours, 140 millimeters, or 5.5 inches of rain fell, overwhelming the city's drainage system. The exceptional rainfall led to widespread flooding in neighborhoods, rural areas, and downtown. Houses were inundated, streets turned into rivers, and vehicles were swept away by strong currents.
Todo inundado, un río. No puedo bajar la perilla porque...
A significant snowfall has severely disrupted life in Van province, in eastern Turkey. The heavy snow has completely cut off access to 131 settlements, leaving roads impassable. In response to these conditions, schools have been closed, and the critical Van Bazazeri highway has been temporarily shut down for safety. A strong 6.4 magnitude earthquake struck central Chile at a depth of 110 kilometers, or 68 miles, at 23:38 UTC. The closest towns to the quake were Molina, about 42 kilometers, or 26 miles from the epicenter, and Curacao, about 48 kilometers, or 30 miles away. The quake was felt in several towns in the central and northern regions of the country, including the capital Santiago, although no victims, any emergencies, or significant material damage were immediately reported.
Move it.